In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a WordPress login on WP Engine for the year 2025 step by step. This tutorial is designed to guide you through the process, making sure that even if you're new to WP Engine or WordPress, you'll find it easy to follow along. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your WP Engine dashboard. This is the control center where you can manage all your WordPress installations with WP Engine. Once you're logged in, you'll want to select your site environment. This is crucial because the site environment is where all your changes will take effect, so make sure you choose the correct one. Next, click on WP Admin. This will open up your WordPress dashboard, providing you with full access to your site's backend. The WordPress dashboard can be a bit overwhelming if you're new, but don't worry, we'll walk through everything step by step. Inside WordPress, go to the Users section and then choose Add New. This is where you'll set up your new login credentials. Here, you'll fill in all the necessary user details, starting with the username. It's advisable to choose a unique and secure username that isn't too easy to guess. After that, you'll need to enter an email address. This email address will be used for account notifications and password resets, so make sure it's one you have access to. You also have the option to fill in the first and last name of the user, though these fields are optional. They can help provide a more personal touch to your site admin if you have multiple users. Moving on, you'll create a strong password. Click Show Password if you prefer to set your own, and make sure it's strong enough to keep your site secure. A combination of uppercase letters, numbers, and symbols typically works best. Once you've filled out these details, it's time to choose a role for the new user. Select Administrator if you want to grant full access to the site, which includes site management capabilities and user management. If the user won't need full access, consider a more limited role. Finally, click Add New User to create the account. This completes the login setup process on the WP Engine platform for WordPress. For those interested in setting up payment options or affiliate links, you can proceed to log in to your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to WP Travel Engine under the Settings menu. Go to the Payments tab, and if you're looking to enable bank deposits, scroll down to find the appropriate option. Toggle this to on and enter your bank account details, including fields such as bank name, account name, and Swift IBAN if necessary. Be sure to enter any payment instructions your users need to know. Once everything looks good, save your changes. This will wrap up the payment configuration, ensuring your site is ready for transactions. That's it. You've successfully set up a WordPress login on WP Engine and configured necessary site settings. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or need further assistance.